That's a motherfucking head. Out of all the rocks out here, look at that. Look, there are rocks all over here. They're not heads, they're probably body parts. But that's a head. That look like a reptile head. I'll turn it this way. That's a reptile's head, man. I know y'all can see that shit. That shit's crazy. Alright, y'all can check it out. The book is called Postcards from Mars. Y'all can look it up. Order the book. That shit is real. These are reptile motherfuckers out here controlling us for the longest. Time we wake up, people. It's time we wake up. See, there's rocks all over there. But that's a reptile's head. Damn, I noticed that shit quick.